The 2-minute shower. 3, 2, 1. Hello, everybody, and welcome back to episode 255 of the Shower Podcast, the podcast where I'm in my shower and you do you. I'm your host, Chip, and welcome to this extra edition of The Weekend Drop, the shorter format of the Shower Podcast, where I leave you with one small idea that can make a big difference. This one is a little bonus, as I said, because I'll be away next week and I want to leave with you with something simple to carry through the weekend while I prepare all my other episodes. So today's drop is about the 2-minute shower. A reminder that you don't always need the full 8-minute deep dive to reset. Sometimes 2 minutes is enough. Just like this episode. Before we start, as usual, if you end up liking this episode, remember that liking and subscribing really mean a lot. They're just one click for you, but they really make the difference. Thank you very much for considering it. We often tell ourselves we need big resets, the long workout, the perfect weekend, the full spa day, before we can feel recharged. But science keeps proving the opposite. Short pauses can do wonders. For example, a 2017 study in the Journal of Applied Psychology found that workers who took short micro breaks, as little as 2 minutes, reported higher energy and focus across the day compared to those who waited for a big break later. The small reset beats the perfect reset. I've noticed this in my own life too. There are days when I don't need the long reflective shower that started this podcast in the first place. The usual 8 minutes. I just step in for 2 minutes, rinse, breathe, and come out ready to go. And a funny thing is, the tiny reset sometimes feels bigger than it looks. The noise clears, the body resets, and the brain stops overthinking. It's not about the length of the pause. It's about the fact that you gave yourself one. And that's the whole point. Life's 2-minute showers matter. Think of athletes taking a short water break or musicians pausing before a big performance. Even the US Army has studied how short tactical naps, literally 10 to 20 minutes, improve alertness more than powering through. The principle is the same. Small resets give you back more than they take. The trick is to use them with intention, not as an excuse to scroll aimlessly. So, instead of waiting for the big reset, the vacation, the perfect free afternoon, use the tiny reset. 2 minutes of shower, 2 minutes of journaling, 2 minutes of breathing. You don't need to chase the perfect conditions. What matters is stepping away just enough to refresh and then stepping back in. Here's today's challenge for you. Find your 2-minute shower. It doesn't have to be literal. Maybe it's stretching, making tea, writing one line in a notebook. Whatever it is, use it as your reset today. You'll be surprised how much lighter 2 minutes can make the rest of your day feel. Having said that, that was all for today. Thank you very much for listening. I hope you enjoy these small weekend drops. And I can see myself, if I would be listening to this, that you want something bite-sized for the weekend. And if you made it so far, feel free to interact with this content in any way, shape or form. It's always welcome. A like, a subscribe, a review on Spotify, whatever you want. And as usual, stay consistent, stay resilient. This was the Shower Podcast, and I'll see you tomorrow.